Digital India is a force to be reckoned with. Whether it is through the efficient transfer of funds at the individual level or the massive distribution of government assistance to the most vulnerable, Digital India has virtually revolutionized many aspects of society. India's digitization of data enabled the country to fight the COVID pandemic without chaos, from contact tracing to organizing and implementing the vaccine drive.
We have a financial digital stack, we have a health digital stack. And I think one of the most impressive digital stacks that we actually developed during COVID was the digital database that we developed for both vaccination and RT-PCR testing. So I think all this actually helped us to manage the pandemic very efficiently.
The global financial body, the International Monetary Fund, and the World Bank both heaped praise on India's direct benefit scheme, which has been a seamless, transparent digital medium that has supported society's most economically disadvantaged, especially during trying times in the face of the pandemic. India's direct benefit scheme is being recognized as a model for other emerging economies for more effective targeting of beneficiaries of subsidy programs. How has India, a country with such a vast population, able to digitize so efficiently and successfully? In 2009, the National Payments Corporation of India took over the ATM network in order to modernize retail payments and settlements. This milestone was followed by the biggest technological breakthrough in India's digital journey, the establishment of the Unique Identification Authority of India, or UIDAI. India had previously faced many challenges with a significant portion of the population lacking any legitimate identification. The UIDAI created a biometric database of its population, based on a 12-digit digital identity known as Aadhaar, verified by fingerprints and retina scans.
If people want to open a bank account, brokerage account, tomorrow a pension account, insurance account, they don't have to do paperwork. It is frictionless, paperless. It creates a digital infrastructure for everything else to follow on top of that. So it is the basic digital public good on which other private entities can come and play. So for example, if a road is a public infrastructure, the car traveling on it might be private. Similarly, for the digital world, it gives every Indian a unique ID, and therefore he or she can then avail of all kinds of public and private services.
By 2022, over 1 billion Aadhaar authentications were done by UIDAI. In 2021, UIDAI had claimed to have completed Aadhaar identification of 99% of Indian adults, a massive feat considering India is home to nearly 17% of the world's population. With the Aadhaar program in place, the government was able to implement the ambitious financial development policy, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, with an aim to provide all households in India with a bank account. In just 1 year, 166 million people had opened accounts as part of the program. Prior to the successful implementation of both programs, many millions of Indians were unable to open a bank account as they did not possess any ID. The Aadhaar card solved that. Now, government payments could be paid directly into bank accounts, and beneficiaries had easy access to their money via debit cards or smartphones. Both these programs demonstrated the remarkable acceleration of conventional financial development in the country. These groundbreaking developments fall under the umbrella of a unique Cyber India Stack system, the ambitious creation of a digital infrastructure to resolve issues in many areas, including governance, businesses, startups, and many more. The key components of this digital infrastructure involve a consensual agreement to develop presenceless, paperless, and cashless layers. The availability and access to bank accounts made it possible for the impoverished to receive aid efficiently and effectively, and also enabled individuals and businesses to conduct transactions without the need for in-person interactions. Because of these advances, Indians across the country, whether in the informal or formal economy, can safely transfer funds anywhere with just a few taps on their mobile phones. The acceleration of digital payments, facilitated by the creation of this unique Digital India stack, have been key drivers of the economic development in India, helping stabilize incomes in rural areas and boost sales in the informal sector. India leads all other countries in terms of daily digital payment volume. Having become the trendsetter in many of the digital domains, India is expected to propose the creation of a robust digital architecture when it assumes the G20 presidency. The digital arm of Brand India is poised for rapid expansion, increased investment, and increasing respect and admiration on a global scale.